best free AI image and video upscaler to 4K. So if you want the best free AI image and video upscaler to 4K, then this video is for you. First, you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you can just open up your browser. After opening your browser, you can go with search and you can search for Winxvideo AI. After that, you need to go with www.winxdvd.com. It is a video and image enhancer. So you can download it free. It's a free download. You can go with download, which is on the top right, and it will start the downloading process. Or you can also click on free download right here. So as you can see that it has a convert, compress, record, and edit features. And it also has video stabilization, which uses AI, and image enhancer, video enhancer, noise remover, and frame interpolation. You can also see the before and after photos or before and after results after upscaling. So it will enhance your video and image to cinema grade quality. It will restore your old footages to 480p from 480p to 1080p or 4K and 24 fps to 60 fps. It will restore your video or image and up to 4x upscaling. It will recover your face. It will colorize black and white photos. It will improve low quality videos. It has AI generated image. It has batch processes, GPU accelerated. It will convert, compress. So you will have all of these features. So you can just simply go and download and you can explore more features. So this is the best AI image and video upscaler up to 4K, and it's absolutely free. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.